Ukraine recently signed a landmark agreement with France to acquire up to 100 Rafale fighter jets. This deal is not just a procurement of advanced military aircraft, it represents a strategic shift in Ukraine's defense posture and strengthens its alliance with Western powers. The agreement was formalized during Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's visit to Paris, where he inked a letter of intent alongside French officials. Before diving into the specifics of the deal, let's take a closer look at the centerpiece of this agreement, the Rafale fighter jet. Manufactured by Dassault Aviation, the Rafale is a twin-engine, multi-role combat aircraft renowned for its versatility and cutting-edge technology. It has been deployed in numerous conflicts worldwide, including operations in Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, and Syria. Equipped with cutting-edge radar systems and electronic warfare suites, the Rafale offers unparalleled situational awareness whether conducting air-to-air combat, precision strikes, or reconnaissance missions. The Rafale excels across multiple domains. While not a fully stealthy fifth-generation fighter like the F-35, the Rafale incorporates design elements that reduce its radar cross-section, making it harder to detect for Ukraine. Acquiring the Rafale represents a significant upgrade over its current fleet of aging Soviet-era aircraft, such as the MiG-29 and Su-27. These older jets have proven inadequate against Russia's modernized air force, underscoring the need for a new generation of fighters. The agreement between Ukraine and France is ambitious in scope. According to official statements, Ukraine plans to purchase up to 100 Rafale F4 variants, which represent the latest iteration of the aircraft. In addition to the jets themselves, the deal includes provisions for drones and advanced air defense systems, further enhancing Ukraine's ability to counter aerial threats. However, there are important caveats to note. First, the agreement is framed as a letter of intent, meaning it outlines the framework for future negotiations rather than constituting a binding contract. Second, delivery timelines remain uncertain. While some reports suggest that deliveries could begin within the next decade, the full acquisition of 100 jets may extend until 2035. Moreover, the Rafale deal complements other recent agreements, such as Ukraine's letter of intent to acquire up to 150 Swedish-made Gripen jets. Together, these initiatives demonstrate Ukraine's proactive approach to diversifying its defense partnerships and reducing reliance on legacy Soviet hardware. From a tactical perspective, the introduction of Rafale jets could significantly alter the balance of power in Eastern Europe. With their superior range, payload capacity, and sensor capabilities, Rafales would give Ukraine a decisive edge in contested airspace scenarios. Additionally, the inclusion of advanced air defense systems addresses a critical vulnerability exposed during Russia's invasion in 2022. While skeptics question whether Ukraine can afford such an expansive procurement program, supporters argue that the long-term benefits outweigh the costs. Modernizing Ukraine's air force not only deters aggression but also enhances its credibility as a regional power. Beyond military considerations, the Rafale deal carries economic and industrial implications. Under the terms of the agreement, Ukraine will gain access to France's defense industrial base, potentially paving the way for joint ventures and technology transfers. Such collaboration could help Ukraine develop its domestic defense sector, fostering self-reliance and innovation. With Ukraine facing severe economic strain due to the ongoing war, financing such a large-scale procurement poses a formidable challenge. Even if France offers favorable loan terms or deferred payment options, the sheer scale of the investment raises eyebrows. Integrating 100 Rafale jets into Ukraine's existing infrastructure requires extensive preparation. From building maintenance facilities to training pilots and technicians, the logistical demands cannot be underestimated. Furthermore, ensuring interoperability with Ukraine's diverse array of Western-supplied weapons systems adds another layer of complexity. In conclusion, Ukraine's decision to procure up to 100 Rafale fighter jets marks a bold step toward modernizing its military and asserting its place on the global stage. While challenges undoubtedly lie ahead, the strategic and symbolic significance of this deal cannot be overstated. By aligning itself with France and other Western partners, Ukraine reinforces its commitment to defending its sovereignty and contributing to regional stability. As we monitor the implementation of this agreement, one thing is clear: the skies above Eastern Europe are set to witness dramatic changes in the coming years. Whether the Rafale becomes a game-changer for Ukraine remains to be seen, but there's no denying that this deal represents a pivotal moment in the nation's journey toward resilience and renewal.